Question number 3, what federal policies will best secure sustainable water use and prevent environmental degradation of the Central Coast?
I agree with everyone up here for the most part. And that's the wonderful thing. We can find common ground. Money doesn't always have to separate us. So that's the great thing. And I particularly appreciate what Mr. Shajian said, because I happen to be a farmer and I understand what this drought means and how the changing climate is affecting us. And it's unfortunate that in none of our responses have we actually addressed the issue of climate change. We actually should be addressing climate change, and I've written a position paper on that, about agriculture's role in that and its contribution of 35% of the greenhouse gases that are emitted in the world today, and how we can reverse the ideas or the carbon emissions by different agricultural practices. And I think that when we're talking about water, the first thing we have to recognize is that 85% of all the water that we're using in the western United States is going to agriculture. So if you're looking for a place that we can cut back or we can change our policies, we have to start with the USDA and our farm bill and the way that we farm. Those are very significant programs. Switching to dryland farming techniques and learning and studying drought-tolerant plants and drought-tolerant policies is something that we haven't done. For the most part, we're recipe farmers that continue to till up the soil, and we actually repel more water than we could be taking in to actually recharge our aquifers. We actually have to rethink our ideas about rainfall in and of itself. In all of our urban and our suburban properties, we have hardscape that takes water, rushes it away, puts it into a stream, and then takes it off the area instead of letting it recharge our ground aquifers.